Hello, I'm Natalia from Inspiration Studio. Today I'll show you how to create a repeating chart in Stitch Fiddle. This method can be used to create cross-stitch or tapestry crochet patterns, but today I'll be focusing on mosaic design. So let's get started. First I'll create a new empty chart. We need to choose craft crochet, then select crochet, color work and yarns. After that, enter the approximate numbers of rows and columns. We can change this number anytime. First of all, I choose the colors I need. I will need beige and dark brown, and I can remove the other colors from the color palette. Next, I will make the field smaller for better visibility, and I will change the settings. I'll choose a name for the chart. It will be sequence, and save it in the Mosaic folder. Then I will change the direction and set the grid to best for printing, and finally I'll save everything. Now I'm ready to create the first element. Since this will be a mosaic chart, I need to keep the mosaic rules in mind. This means that the columns should contain an odd number of blocks. I can also select the area and choose the autofill function. I click on beige to change the color. So the main element is ready, and I will mirror and copy it. I need more space on the left, so I will add a few columns. As well as some rows at the top. I select the main element, copy it and paste it at the top. Now I need to insert these elements on the right and left, but there isn't enough space here. I'm missing 2 rows, which I will add. I will draw this motif manually on the left. To insert the element on the right, I will first copy it. Then mirror it vertically. Now I can copy larger sections and continue the pattern in different directions. I need to check if this chart corresponds to the mosaic rules. I will draw both stitches and indicate where the brown and beige rows will be. I found a mistake. If you see it, you are an expert in mosaic. The second mosaic rule is that each column of a specific color starts and ends in a row of its own color. Everything is correct here, but on the right it's the opposite. However, this can be fixed easily. I will select and cut this area and move it down by one row. Now everything is okay. I will do the same for this part. I will keep this file for future modifications, but first I will make a copy and complete the chart, adding the necessary symbols for double crochets. To complete the pattern, I will first need additional blocks with symbols for DCs and border stitches. I will use the same brown color and my favorite arrow symbol for double crochet and the wave symbol for border stitches. I will do the same for the light brown color First, I will mark the border stitches. Now let's determine where the brown double crochets will go. Counting from the bottom, in each column, the first block is always a single crochet, and the top block, as well as the third, fourth from the bottom, and so on, are double crochets. If the pattern follows the rules, there should be no issues. The same goes for the beige color. This is how the completed main pattern looks. I'm going back to the original pattern and want to make a small change. Each column consists of 3 stitches and I will simply remove the middle column. The second version is very similar to the original, but the repeat of the pattern is smaller. Let's make one more copy. Here I want to remove all these columns. It looks interesting, but there is too much empty space. I will try drawing the pattern from the very beginning with fewer squares. Simply deleting them won't work as it would destroy the design. I don't need the old pattern here anymore. Now I can copy the larger sections. And I will also change the background color. This is how the finished third version looks. And one more final version for today with horizontal stripes. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this process. Don't forget to like and comment.